Hello friends, so this video will help you to transfer Google Authenticator accounts from old iPhone to new iPhone. So firstly, launch Google Authenticator app on your old iPhone and tap on these three dots on the top right corner. Now select Export Accounts. Hit Continue. Now select the check mark for the accounts you want to transfer from old iPhone to new iPhone and then hit Export. This should show you a QR code. Now launch Google Authenticator app on your new iPhone. Select Get Started. Select Scan QR code. Now scan the QR code shown on your old iPhone. That's all. Your Google Authenticator accounts are successfully transferred to new iPhone. Now on your old iPhone, you have an option to remove Google accounts or keep them as it is. So select the option accordingly. This video will be helpful to you when you transfer data from old iPhone to new iPhone because that process doesn't transfer the Google Authenticator accounts. Hope you guys found this video useful. Hit that like button if it helped. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.